millennials, so students who are millennials today, and they want to see what is their contribution, how do they add value. They don't want to be just a part of a large system where the system is doing everything and they don't see relevance of what they are doing. How do they add value to whatever work they're doing, to society, to the organization? They need to see that very clearly. The second thing is they are different in their ways because they live in a different time. I mean, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, digital, social media, they're so different as compared to, any of the traditional way of doing management and business. Today, everything is so much more measurable. Everything is so much more faster. Accountability is so much more higher. So one cannot expect them to work in the same old ways. So what we expect our students to be in 2020 is we expect our students really to be people who are in the know of what's happening, doing stuff that they believe adds value, equipped with the latest tools, and possibly the most important thing is a sense of values and character. I think that's possibly the single biggest challenge our nation faces. Our nation doesn't face a problem really with infrastructure or with lack of talent. I think the most talented people in the world are there in this particular country. I think the problem that's really there is the values that they come out with in saying success at the end of everything, doesn't matter what the journey is. That's something that we'd like to see this institution, because of the kind of foundation we've had. For those who don't know, we started by a Jesuit priest who is a Padma Shri awardee, who's had a very, very long history of setting up fantastic institutions in this country. Right from XLRI, XIM Bhubaneswar, GIM, went on to do more than this. I don't know if anybody else in the country who can, say at least management education, they've done such a large contribution. Because he founded us. For us, ethics, values, governance are extremely important. And that's what this Give Goa program, social sensitivity, making students think about, various ethical dilemmas before taking a decision. That's an extremely important part to us. So if they're able to become successful without a sense of values, without the kind of moral fabric, character, that thing is just going to be wasted. For us, we're very clear that's a significant contribution that GIM does to our students, to industry, and to the nation.